Nobody told you.
The demand for custom wooden products, signage, and furniture parts is growing rapidly, and CNC wood router machines are making it easier than ever to turn creative ideas into profitable products. With one machine, you can produce engraved signs, cabinet doors, decorative panels, and personalized items with professional accuracy. In this guide, we'll look at the 10 best CNC wood router machines for custom design businesses, including their working area, features, price range, and why they're popular among small manufacturers and entrepreneurs. The Shop Sabre IS series, especially the IS 408 model, is considered an industrial-grade CNC router designed for professional woodworking shops. It comes with a large 4x8-foot working area, making it perfect for cutting full sheets of plywood, MDF, or hardwood panels used in cabinets and furniture. This machine typically includes a 3 to 5 horsepower spindle, precision ball screw drives, and heavy steel construction that minimizes vibration during cutting. The result is extremely accurate carvings and smooth finishing on complex designs. Many models also support automatic tool changers, vacuum hold-down tables, and advanced WinCNC software, which allows businesses to run large production jobs efficiently. The price usually starts around $50,000 and can reach $80,000 depending on options. Because of its durability and precision, this machine is commonly used in cabinet factories, custom furniture shops, and commercial production workshops. The Laguna Smart Shop series is another powerful CNC router widely used in professional woodworking businesses. These machines are known for their heavy steel frame, high-speed spindle, and industrial control systems. One of the biggest advantages is the 12-horsepower HSD spindle, capable of running between 5,000 and 24,000 revolutions per minute, allowing it to cut wood, plastic, and even non-ferrous metals with excellent precision. The machine is available in several sizes, including 4x8, 5x10, and 5x12-foot work areas, which makes it perfect for large cabinet or furniture manufacturing. It also includes features like automatic tool changers, vacuum tables with multiple zones, servo drive motors, and high-speed movement up to 1,800 inches per minute, making it extremely productive for commercial workshops. Depending on configuration, the price generally ranges between $53,000 and $70,000 or more. This machine is ideal for businesses producing kitchen cabinets, decorative panels, signage, and architectural wood designs. The K-Master Stinger series is a great choice for small to medium woodworking businesses that want professional performance without paying the price of large industrial machines. The Stinger 2 model usually comes with a 4x4-foot work area and a powerful 3-horsepower spindle, which is strong enough for hardwood carving, furniture components, and detailed engraving work. The machine supports Vectric Aspire and V-Carve software, which are among the most popular design tools used by woodworkers around the world. K-Master machines are also known for their excellent customer support and strong steel frames, which ensure smooth and accurate cutting. The price typically ranges between $15,000 and $25,000, depending on upgrades. This router is commonly used for custom signs, decorative furniture pieces, and small production woodworking businesses. The Avid CNC Pro series is extremely popular among professional makers and tech-savvy entrepreneurs. It usually comes in sizes like 4x4, 4x8, and even larger industrial setups, giving businesses flexibility based on their production needs. These machines use precision linear rails, ball screws, and powerful 3-horsepower spindles, which allow them to cut hardwood, MDF, and plastics with high accuracy. One of the biggest advantages is the modular design, meaning businesses can upgrade the machine later with rotary axes, laser attachments, or larger cutting beds. Prices generally range from $10,000 to $20,000 depending on the configuration. This makes it a great option for prototyping, custom design studios, and growing woodworking startups. The Onefinity Woodworker X50 is one of the easiest CNC routers to set up and use. It comes with a 32 by 32 inch cutting area, and the machine is built using ball screw drives instead of belts, which increases accuracy and durability. The system supports both router spindles and upgraded professional spindles, allowing beginners to start small and upgrade later. Another major advantage is the plug-and-play design, which allows users to assemble the machine in less than an hour. The price typically ranges between $2,500 and $5,000, making it one of the best options for people starting a home-based woodworking business. The Shapeoko 5 Pro is one of the most popular CNC machines among entrepreneurs who want to produce custom wooden products at scale. It includes linear rails, a rigid aluminum frame, and optional 2-horsepower spindle upgrades that improve cutting performance. The machine works with Carbide Create and Fusion 360 software, allowing users to design complex carvings, 3D reliefs, and engraved artwork. Most configurations cost between $3,000 and $6,000, making it one of the best value CNC routers for small businesses. Many Etsy sellers and custom woodworking brands use this machine to create personalized signs, decorative wall art, and engraved gifts. The Axiom Precision Iconic series is designed specifically for woodworking professionals who need precision carving. It usually includes a 3-horsepower electro spindle, cast aluminum frame, and integrated control system, making it extremely easy to operate. Most models include Vectric V-Carve Pro software, which simplifies the process of creating decorative carvings and detailed artwork. The price typically ranges from $8,000 to $12,000, depending on the size and accessories. Because of its precision and reliability, this machine is widely used by artists, furniture designers, and boutique woodworking studios. The ShopBot PRS Alpha series is another professional CNC router commonly used in sign shops and furniture workshops. It includes a 4x8 foot work area, powerful spindle motors, and advanced gantry systems, allowing it to cut large wooden panels quickly and accurately. The machine also supports rotary attachments, which means businesses can produce items like carved table legs, decorative pillars, and custom furniture components. Prices usually range between $15,000 and $25,000, depending on the configuration. This machine is widely used by schools, manufacturing shops, and commercial woodworking businesses. The Longmill MK2 CNC router is designed for small workshops and home-based woodworking businesses. It includes lead screw motion systems with anti-backlash nuts, which improve accuracy during carving and engraving. The machine supports popular router spindles like Makita trim routers, making it affordable for beginners. Prices typically range from $2,000 to $4,000, which makes it one of the most affordable professional CNC routers available. It is perfect for businesses producing wooden crafts, ornaments, and custom engraved products. The Legacy Maverick 4x8 CNC router is unique because it combines multiple woodworking capabilities in a single machine. In addition to routing, it can also perform lathe turning, joinery, and 3D carving, making it extremely versatile for custom furniture production. It usually includes a 3-horsepower spindle, large vacuum table, and precision motion system, allowing businesses to handle complex woodworking projects. The price typically ranges between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the configuration. This machine is ideal for companies producing high-end furniture, architectural designs, and custom woodworking products. CNC routers transform woodworking businesses by increasing production speed and design possibilities. Instead of spending hours carving by hand, these machines allow you to produce hundreds of identical pieces with perfect accuracy. They also open the door to profitable product categories like custom furniture, decorative wall panels, personalized wooden signs, cabinet doors, architectural wood designs, engraved gifts, and branding products. Many businesses start with a single CNC router and eventually expand into full production workshops selling globally. Choosing the right CNC router depends on your budget, workshop space, and production goals. If you're just starting a small business, machines like Shapeoko, Onefinity, or Longmill offer affordable entry points. This list draws from real user feedback to ensure practical reliability. With the right CNC machine and creative designs, a small woodworking shop can quickly turn into a profitable manufacturing business. Thanks for watching. Pick your machine, start designing, and watch your custom woodworking business take off. Drop a comment with your favorite or what you're building next. See you in the shop.